How deep you plant your pepper varies depending on the environment where you're located, the kind of weather that you have, and the nature of soil. For the most part, pepper seeds should be planted a 1/4 inch deep in a fine textured seed starting mix to provide good drainage. When you're planting in containers, you can plant your pepper seeds 18 to 24 inches deep. Here in Uganda, when we get our pepper from the nursery bed, you can dip that hole from the root to the stem where your leaves start. You can dip all that into the ground.